Alright, I think it's time to put a new ECU in the 300ZX, if it'll focus. Got a Jim Wolf Technology upgrade package. Kind of was crappy sitting inside of another Z that we have. So now we're going to actually take this thing apart. Of course, the ECU is under the 300ZX foot panel on the passenger side. Let's see if we can get to it here. Alright. Got 4 10 mils on this wooden board part. This kick panel. Alright, okay, well, don't mind the Michigan rust. This ECU's seen better days, works perfectly fine, but I think it's time for an upgrade. We got 3 10 millimeters holding the ECU bracket in. And we got 1 10 millimeter holding the ECU plug in. And then boom, rusty, crusty, old ECU out. Alright, out with the old, in with the new. Let's go ahead and put in this new ECU. Alright. I'll get this plug lined up. Gotta make sure it's lined up perfectly. All right, nice and secure. Fold it back up. All right, and then the 3 10 mils got to go back into their ECU bracket. And these, of course, don't have to be crazy tight. They're just there to hold the ECU on. All right. Now for the kickboard. And this is kind of a pain in the butt because you have to line it up perfectly. That'll be fine. All right. Now to go get the keys and start this thing. All right, now time to start it with the new ECU. She's straight pipe, so she might be loud. There we go. All right. Spark plugs, new ECU. Not bad at all. Really miss driving this car. Don't ever get to drive it anymore. Alright, time to turn her around. Not bad for a test. All right, well, that'll do it for today. Got the Jim Wolf Technology ECU in there. Nice little pep up in power. I don't think I'm going to have a whole lot planned for this car here coming soon. I've got a lot of projects with the Supra, with the other 300ZX, with the Infinity. I'm going to just do one at a time, especially with this quarantine and me not having anything else to do. Going to definitely have to do things to this car, do things to my BMX bikes and my scooters, but that'll all be in due time. And of course, I want to paint this thing. I'm really loving the stock color, so I think I want to stay with that. But finding the paint code, finding the paint, and then finding someone to paint for me, it's going to be a whole nother question. So anybody who watches this will have to comment down below what color I should do, whether stay with the stock or go with something else. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to try to post more videos, especially during our quarantine, and then more on the other vehicles that I have, one at a time, of course. So see you later.